Morning, everyone. Welcome to our pre-vid conference. For the before no, I would like to ask of nabatay online server. So wala po tayo sa actual. So proceed ko for the 24JE 0042 Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Gaps. Construction of road Barangay Manga to Barangay Bogo, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. With the approved budget of for the contract of 9,650,000 pesos. For 24JE 0066, construction completion of multipurpose building, Gymnasium, Provincial Government Center, DAO, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget of 99 million. Sarado. 99 million pesos. For 24JE 0067, BIP-Multi-Purpose building, facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose facility, Barangay Santo Niño, Tukuran, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget for the contract of 9,900,000 pesos. For 24JE 0068, Special Road Fund, motor vehicle users charge MVUC as per Republic Act 11239, improvement of intersection, junction, Labangan Road to kilometer 1630 plus minus 260 and junction Aurora to Ozamis City Road, Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget for the contract of 9,800,000 pesos. For 24JE 0069, Special Road Fund, motor vehicle users charge MVUC as per RA 11239, improvement of intersection, junction Aurora, Ozamis City Road to kilometer 1629 plus 00 and Lanao to Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur City, Zamboanga City Road, Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget for the contract of 9,800,000 pesos. For 24JE 0070, Asset Preservation Program, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads with slope collapse, and landslide to primary roads Lanao to Pagadian City to Zamboanga City Road, kilometer 1640 plus 519 to kilometer 1640 plus 541.5, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget of 2,895,000 pesos. For 24JE 0071, Asset Preservation Program, rehabilitation, reconstruction for roads with slope collapse, and landslide, primary roads Lanao, Pagadian to Zamboanga City Road, kilometer 40 plus 268 to kilometer 1640 plus 519, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget contract of 11,580,000 pesos. I-announce na ko sa to all prospective bidders, ano lang naka, walay, this office is strictly prohibited sa kanang SPA. Nalan siya, need siya kanang digit with digit from the company, ID from the company. So, I will give the table to for the discussion of the detail of the program works to the planning personnel.
Good morning sa ato mga hepe, sa ato mga empleyado sa DPWH. So let me discuss the first project, 24JA 0042, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps or SIPAG, construction of road, Barangay Manga to Barangay Bogo Road sa Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. This project has an ABC of 9,650,000. With the scope of work, yung road width is 6.1 meters with a thickness of 0.23 for the PCCP and for sub-base course we have 0.2 meter in thick. The station limits are station 00 to station 493 with a net length of 493 meters and a total project duration of 115 calendar days. So these are the items involved for this project. We have the other general requirements. For earthworks, we have individual removal of trees and surplus common excavation, structure excavation, pipe culverts and drain excavation for common soil, and embankment from roadway excavation, common soil. Subgrade preparation. And for sub-base and base course, we have aggregate sub-base course. And surface course, we have Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced 0.23 meter thick. And for drainage and protection structures, we have pipe culverts 910 mm in diameter, class 4 for RCPC. And for stone masonry, we have the retaining wall, head wall, wing wall, and apron. For miscellaneous structures, we have trees, furnishing, and transplanting. And we also have reflectorized pavement, thermoplastic pavement markings, white and yellow. So those are the items involved for this first project.
So, the next project is 24GE 0066. Project title is Construction, Completion of Multipurpose Building Gymnasium. Kani siya nga project is the continuation of existing multipurpose building gymnasium located at DEO, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. This project includes the items involved in these projects are project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization, o sa finishing works nato is sa item structural steel. Sa ang project coverage nato is tulo ka side sa ato ang corners mahuman, which is tulo ka side dire mahuman ang mga structural elements nga steels. Ang sa dire nga part wala na appeal kay ma-short na ang kwarta. Sa kaning nga picture is wala pa nakita ang mga pedestals kay ongoing pa po dito, which is katong sa 2022 na to nga project katong 50 million. So far maurang coverage sa item na to structural steel diri sa tulo ka corners sa tuang multipurpose gymnasium. So
now let's proceed to 24JE 0067. Construction of multipurpose facility under BIP-Multi-Purpose buildings facilities to support social services. Location, project location, Barangay Santo Niño, Tukuran, Zamboanga del Sur. Total project duration of 200 calendar days. Items involved in this project. General requirements, permits and clearances, project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization. For earthworks, we have structure excavation, embankment from structure excavation, common soil, embankment from barrow, common soil, then gravel fill. For plain and reinforced concrete works, we have structural concrete with 3,000 psi, structural concrete 4,000 psi, reinforcing steel, deformed grade 40, deformed reinforcing steel grade 60, formworks and false works, 100 mm CHB, non-load bearing including reinforcing steel. And for fabricated materials, we have frames, doors, windows, aluminum framed glass doors, aluminum glass window, jalousie window, tempered glass, and finishing hardware. For finishing works, we have cement plaster finish, railing, ceiling, 4.5 mm fiber cement board and metal frame, reflective insulation, glazed tiles and trims, unglazed tiles. And for painting works, we have painting works for masonry concrete, wood and steel. Roof framing and roofing works, we have pre-painted metal sheets, rib type long span, fabricated metal roofing accessory, flashing, gutter, and structural steel for trusses and purlins, metal structure accessories for steel, plates, sag rods, and bolts and rods. For plumbing and sanitary works, we have sewer line works, cold water lines, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixtures, septic vault, water tank, and overhead water tank with pump. For electrical works, we have conduits, boxes, and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel board, lighting fixtures and lamps, LCD LED monitor, single arm post with street light, single arm post 6 meters LED 120 watts. And for mechanical works, we have fire alarm system, fire extinguisher, and air conditioning system. So in summary, we have this is a construction of two-story multipurpose building, 10.5 meters by 17.5 meters. Usage is for their barangay hall. Complete reinforced concrete works from footing, slab on field, ramp, column, beam, suspended slab, stairway, concrete pathway, front and left side of the building, and complete installation of fabricated materials, complete masonry works, complete installation of glazed, unglazed tiles, and ceiling works. Complete electrical works, including 65-inch smart TV, and mechanical works. That's all for 24JA0067.
So let us proceed for the fourth project, 24JA0068. This is under Special Road Fund Motor Vehicle Users Charge or MVUC as per RA 11239. Improvement of intersection, Junction Aurora, Monte Alegre, Junction Labangan Road is O1086 MN. K1630 plus minus 260 and Junction Aurora, Ozamis City Road. The location is Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. For the scope of work, this is improvement of intersection. We have warning signs, regulatory signs, instruction signs, pavement markings, concrete barriers, and single arm straight light. The total project duration is 70 calendar days. And for the ABC, we have 9,800,000. So these are the items involved for this project. We have the other general requirements. And mostly this composed of miscellaneous structures. We have regulatory signs, miscellaneous signs, pedestrian crossing, regulatory signs, priority signs, left turner must give way. Regulatory signs, direction signs, merging traffic, plate type 450 by 750 mm. Traffic signs, traffic instruction signs, movement instruction signs, reduce speed. And we have reflectorized pavement markings, white, including the center line, pedestrian lane, the direction arrow, and the rumble strip. And we have also the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, yellow, and single arm post with straight light. And the last, road safety barrier system, concrete barrier with LED, illuminated directional indicators. So those are the items involved for the project 24JA0068. For the next project, so for the fifth project, 24JA0069, Special Road Fund Motor Vehicle Users Charge, MVUC as per RA 11239. Improvement of intersection, Junction Aurora, Ozamis City Road, K1629 plus 000 and Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road. The location of this project is at Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. For the scope of work, this is improvement of intersection. We have removal of existing island. We have runabout, parapet wall, paper blocks, hardscape benches, splitter islands, warning signs, regulatory signs, instruction signs, pavement markings, and double arm street light. The ABC of this project is 9,800,000. So these are the items involved for this project. We have the other general requirements, and we have earthworks, individual removal of trees, and we have also removal of actual structures or obstruction, and selected barrow for tapping. We also have aggregate sub-base scores, and for the surface scores, we have Portland cement concrete pavement 0.15 m thick, and Portland cement concrete pavement 0.28 m thick. And for the drainage and slope protections, we have reinforcing steel bar grade 40 for pedestal curb and parapet footing. And we also have structural concrete class A pedestal for pedestal and parapet footing. For the miscellaneous structures, we have regulatory signs, warning signs, traffic instructions. We have also pavement markings, yellow, and reflectorized pavement markings, white, pedestrian lane, direction arrow, and rumble strip. And we also have reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, yellow. We also have double arm post with street light, and road safety barrier system. We also have 150 mm CHB non-load bearing wall. We also have hardscape benches, paper blocks, and concrete curb type A. So those are the items involved for this project.
So let's proceed for the next project with the contract ID of 24JE0070 with a project name of Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of Roads with Slips, Slope Collapse, and Landslide Primary Roads along Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road, K1640 plus 519 to K1640 plus 541.5. So, this project has a total project duration of 80 calendar days. Ang scope of work of this project is road reblocking and construction of road slope protection. So, ang road reblocking of this project is 22.5 meters with a road width of 6.7 meters width and thickness of 0.28 meters. So, ang slope protection nato ani is grouted riprap with concrete lining. So, ang thickness sa ato ang grouted riprap is 0.30 meters thick and ato ang concrete lining is 0.15 meters thick. Tapos, napod tay sheet pile nga gi-provide ani, no? Sa katong lalom ang iyahang elevation. So, nag-provide tag sheet piles. For this project, naatay 11 meters length of sheet pile. For miscellaneous structure, naatay gi-provide nga meter guardrail, 22.5 meters, and ang iyahang in-piece is ang bulnos. Napotay gi-provide nga chevron, hazard markers, and reflectorized pavement markings, white and yellow. So, I think maura to nga items involved sa ato ang project. Next, proceed ta sa last with a contract ID of 24JE0071, Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of Roads with Slips, Slope Collapse, and Landslide Primary Roads along Lanao, Pagadian, Zamboanga City Road, K1640-268 to K1640 plus 519. So, kani siya nga project is continuous rin siya. So, magtapad rin siyang duha ka slope protection project na to with a total project duration of 150 calendar days. So, ang scope of work of this project is road reblocking and construction of slope protection structures. So, ato ang road reblocking is 119 meters of length with a road width of 6.7 meters and thickness of 0.28 meters. So, sa ato ang slope protection, na atay area of 232.49 square meter of slope protection. So, kaning slope protection is grouted riprap of 0.30 meters thick and with a concrete lining of 0.15 meters thick. Nag-provide po tagkuan ani nga sa project og steel sheet piles. 45 meters total length. So ato ang sheet pile ani nga gi-provide kuan ang ihang length sa sheet pile 6 meters. Yes, ma'am, parehara, ma'am. So other items involved ani nag-provide po tag guardrail with in-piece, bulnos, chevron signs, dayon lastly reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white and yellow. So I think maura to siya, ma'am. Yes ma'am, naatay nagpa-road reblocking lang ma'am kay unstable naman ang iyahang base god. So gipa-road reblocking na lang nato, natay plus and minus nga certain length sa slope protection. So I think maura to ma'am.
So thank you. So let's proceed from the materials. Baka na siya yung mga queries o information sa atong mga additional requirements.
For our prospective bidders, the additional information is that if there are conflict between the posted invitation to bid data and the bid data sheet will prevail. No? So contractor should refer to the bid data sheet for the requirements of manpower and equipments. And also for the equipment that are being leased, they should attach certificate of availability, no, from the lessor kay para mahibaw-an mo kung available kung mo kuan gid siya nga available gid nga mga equipments. And also together with the proof nga kani siya nga equipment ang iyang gipalis. So as much as possible katong lease agreement, they should indicate the equipment body number or plate number, no, kay para matrace na mo kung functional ba siya or not, no. So, kay kung lease lang siya, for example, lease lang one dump truck for example, so di may kabalo kung unsa nga dump truck ang iyang gilease. And kita dili ta ka assure if that dump truck nga ilang gilease is operational to, no. So dapat ilang specify nila kung unsa nga mga equipments ang ilang gipalis along with the certificate of availability. Thank you.
So thank you no sa all prospective bidders na to. So kailangan mo ay comply to yung mga requirements as mga certificate, nag-attach sa certificate, and then it should be all the the equipments should be functional and operational, especially during the time of inspection. So wala naman tayo queries sa wala tayo online, so wala tayo actual observers. So it's adjourned. The bidding is adjourned. Thank you.